I got involved in 2004, and by that time, one of our goals was to see if we could help law enforcement identify witnesses who might be able to lead to the arrest of Warren Jeffs. And then we heard about Elisa Wall. Elisa had finally broken out of the church. We were aware of her, she was aware of us, and I knew that what Elisa Wall had to say could bring Warren Jeffs down. Elisa is the bravest girl I know. Eventually, she decided that she was going to trust us, work with law enforcement. And so we finally had a case against Warren Jeffs for accomplice to rape.
This kind of a prosecution was unheard of in the state of Utah. And the prosecuting team was very honest to me about it, that we were navigating unseen water, and there was concern of how successful we would actually be.
I thought that our legal theory, even though it was novel, was completely legit. Under Utah law, a person of Elisa's age cannot consent to participate in a marriage. So Warren Jeffs was charged with 2 counts of rape as an accomplice.
The phone rang about 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, and it was Brock Belknap, the prosecutor, and he said, Warren's been caught. I was a little bit at disbelief at first, and I remember asking, are you sure it's Warren? I would have to face Warren in court.
We suspected all these things about him, but you know, it's like going through a doorway after he's arrested, and then all of a sudden all these other things come out.
Are you Warren Jeffs?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Jeffs, you're being held as a fugitive, and there are 2 fugitive holds for you, one from Utah, one from Arizona.
Polygamous leader Warren Steve Jeffs extradited via helicopter from the state of Nevada today, touching down at Purgatory Jail.
Warren Jeffs allegedly arranged for older men to marry underage girls. In fact, one of those girls is reportedly going to be the lead witness for the prosecution.
Is a charge of rape as an accomplice, a first-degree felony, and count 2 is a charge of rape as an accomplice, a first-degree felony.
Does your client view this as a religious persecution?
Absolutely. His defense team was saying this was a religious persecution. Look, we're not going after Warren Jeffs because we disagree with his religious views. We're going after Warren Jeffs because he facilitated the rape of a child.
We, the jury, find that defendant Warren Steve Jeffs is guilty beyond a reasonable doubt of the crime of rape as an accomplice. Dated this 25th day of September 2000.